You just signed up on BizOPD. So now what? Here is how your first 24 hours on the platform will look like. Let's get into it. Before we start, just a quick note. Throughout this setup, I'll be using a printing business as an example. But don't worry, whether you run a tailoring business, a bakery, a cleaning service, or any other business, the process is exactly the same. You'll simply replace these examples with the departments that fit your business. The first thing you'll do is create your department. For this example, we'll create a sales department. Start by entering the department name and the department code. You can also add a short description if you'd like. Next, choose the department type that best describes that team. After that, assign the department manager, set the status to active, and click Create Department. I'm only creating one department here to keep things simple, but you want to repeat this process for every department in your business. Now that your departments are in place, the next step is adding your team members and assigning them the right roles. Click Add Member and enter their name and their email address. Then assign them the right user type, role, and department. When you send the invitation, they will receive an email to join your BizOPD workspace. Once they accept it, they will have access to exactly what they need based on the role you've assigned them. Now let's set up your workflow. Think of your workflow as the path every order follows from the moment a customer places it until it is delivered. Start by giving your workflow a name, and if you would like, add a short description. Next, create the different stages an order passes through in your business. For this printing business, I'll be using sales, design, printing, and dispatch. For each stage, I'll set the type to automated. This simply means that once a stage has been completed, the order automatically moves to the next stage in your workflow. You will also notice an SLA option. SLA stands for Service Level Agreement. It allows you to set a target time for how long an order should spend in a particular stage, making it easier to monitor delays and keep jobs moving on schedule. If you'd like, you can create your SLA right here during the setup. Once you're done adding your stages, click Save and Activate, and your workflow is ready. Before creating your first order, there's one setting I would recommend turning on: Enable Allow Custom Items. This gives you the flexibility to add custom products directly while creating an order, instead of having to add every new product to your product catalog first. Let's create your order types. Think of these as the different products or services your business offers. For this example, I'll be creating acrylic frame and canvas frame. Simply enter the order type name and assign it to the appropriate workflow and save it. You can create as many order types as your business needs. Now, you're ready to create your first order. If the customer is new, simply click Add Customer and enter their details. Once saved, their information will be available the next time they place an order, so you won't have to enter it again. If your business uses a warehouse to store materials or finished products, you can also create one here. Just enter the warehouse details and save it. The rest of the order information can then be completed as needed. Once everything is in place, click Create Order. After creating the order, you will see the Start Workflow option. Simply click Start Workflow and your order officially enters your workflow, allowing you and your team to begin tracking its progress from one stage to the next. And that's it. You're officially ready to start using BizOPD. Go ahead and upload your first order, track it through your workflow, and see how easy managing your business can be. Welcome to BizOPD.